Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about how to make a drive your car project. So with the help of Arduino Uno and this Tinkercad platform, we can do this very easily. So first of all, you have to open this Tinkercad ID and you have to click on this create option and select the circuits. So this is the platform where you have to design your circuit and you can do the coding also. So for drive your car project, first of all, you have to change the name by clicking here, drive your car. So this is the project for today. First of all, I'm going to take this Arduino Uno. Everyone you know about this Arduino Uno. This is the microcontroller board. You can attach all the components and then we have to do the coding and accordingly it will follow the instruction. Next thing, we have to take this motor. So I'm going to rotate this Arduino board. It's your choice how to attach everything, the motors and everything. So you can do accordingly. Okay, so I'm going to zoom out this so you can see whole board, this Arduino board. So now we have to do the connection. You know there's a two terminals in these motors, positive and negative. So accordingly, we have to connect these motors with Arduino. So you have to start from here. I'm going to do the wiring process. So I'm connecting with pin number 5. You can attach with any digital pin. There is no restriction. You have to connect only with pin number 5 or 6 or something else. Okay. So it's your choice. Next thing, I'm taking this one, the negative terminal. I'm going to connect with the pin number 6. Wait. You can change the color of this wire also. It's your choice. I'm also going to change. I'm taking as orange color. It's looking nice. Next thing, this is your first motor and this second motor I am going to connect. So directly I'm going to connect with pin number 8 and 9. It's, you have to adjust this motor according to your choice. So I'm going to take the purple color wire and this black one I'm going to connect with the pin number 9 and take this pink color. Yeah, you can take any color. Totally depends on you. Okay, so connection is done now. So very important part of this project is coding, because without coding it's not possible to rotate this motor or not able to drive your car. So there is a code option. You have to click here. There's an inbuilt thing. So you have to remove things from here. So I'm going to do step-by-step process. First of all, we have to do the coding for forward direction movement, then backward, then left, then right. So for this, you can add some comment also. So first of all, I'm going to take the forever block because I want to do this like it's moving continuously. So I'm taking this forward block. And before this, taking any block, we have to take this comment block and we have to put for forward direction, forward direction. So it's easy for you to understand the program for what. So now output, I'm taking this set pin to high. So first motor we have to take as like a pin number 5 and 6. You can duplicate this block and attach step by step 5 and 6. And next is 8 and 9. So you can take this. So for forward direction, You have to take pin number 8, sorry, 5 and 6, then high low, then again high and low. Then it will rotate forward direction, high and low. If you want to check, you have to just click on the start simulation. You can see it's moving forward. Now, next thing, I want to do the coding for backward direction. So you have to duplicate all these blocks. Now I'm going to change as backward direction. Or you can do the backward direction. So for forward direction, you have to move high, low, like there's a moving forward. So next thing I am going to reverse low, high and low, high. Okay, so it's pin positive and negative things. So you can check again, click on the start simulation. It's moving forward direction and backward direction. Now it's moving backward direction. Okay. So for like if you want to check it's moving forward or backward, so you can take the wait block in between these codes. So you have to take wait for 5 seconds. Now you can check start simulation. It's moving forward. So it's for forward direction and this one is for backward direction. So you have to check. It's again, if I am taking this here also, sorry, not here. It's moving forward direction, then it's moving backward direction. Okay. Now I'm going to take for right and left. So you have to put here, turn left or left turn. For left turn, you have to take this pin, you have to take as low. There is no supply here. You can provide the supply on pin number 8 only. And then another pin you have to take as low for turning left. Okay, you have to check this program. First thing is moving forward direction. Then it will move backward direction. Then it's moving turn left. Now again, you have to duplicate these blocks and take the program for turn right. In this turn right option, you have to only pin number 5, you have to take as high, like you have to provide the power supply, and other pins you have to take low. Now it's moving forward direction and it will move backward direction. Then turn left. Then turn right. Okay. So this is the basic concept and coding. So how you have to do this. So it's very easy to understand how to you have to move forward and backward and what pins you have to provide the power supply. Then it will move turn right and left. So this is it. This is drive your motor, how to control like drive your motor forward direction, backward direction, turn right and turn left. Thank you so much.